Our today's topic is rectification of errors. We got 5 journal entry from IGCSE accounting first paper. So here I'll show you how to journalize these transactions to rectify the errors. So here what is written on the question? Julius has discovered the following 5 errors in his accounting records for the year ended 30 April 2022. So here we see 5 transactions. So here the year ending of the business of Julius business is 30 April 2022. That means year is already finished. Now he discovered some errors. Okay. So what is the first one? Here we have the total for general expenses $28 in the petty cash book for April 2022 has not been posted to the general ledger. Okay, so here general ledger is already prepared. Okay, and we know with the balance of general ledger, business prepare trial balance. But here general expenses $28 not included in the ledger. So what happened in this case? There will be difference in the trial balance between debit and credit balance. So for this transaction error, trial balance won't be balanced. Okay, so here obviously there will be a suspense. Okay, so what is general expense? It is a nominal account. You know, it is an expense. So expense has normal debit balance. Okay, so here general expenses will be debited. As it is not posted, now we will post it. Okay, so it will be debited and suspense account will be here credited. Why suspense? I told you, because for this error trial balance won't be balanced, there will be a suspense. Okay, so let's write here. First of all, we will write the number. So here number 1, we will write general expenses. On the debit side we will write $28 and we will write here suspense account. On the credit side it will be $28. Okay, so today here I will not show you how to write the narrative. Okay, so what narrative you can write? You can write general expenses $28 debited correction of errors, or you can write suspense account to be created by $28 and correction of errors. Okay, so what is our next transaction? Here number 2, a direct debit to ISAC, a supplier. $195 had been recorded as 159 in the account for ISAC. Okay, so it should be 195, but it is recorded as 159. So this is the mistake. So with the supplier is a credit. Okay, it is a liability, it is a credit account. Okay, so here the debit side, direct debit, means the balance from the bank is already debited, is already gone by $195. Okay, but on the debit side it is written perfectly correctly 195 bank balance reduced. Okay, on the debit side of the trial balance. At the same time supplier will be also credited, yeah, by $195. But it was not $195, it is $159 on the credit side of the trial balance. So debit side $195 decreased, credit side also should be decreased by $195, but it is decreased by $159. So there will be difference on the trial balance. So in this transaction you need to enter a new account which is suspense. Okay, so how much amount is written less here? So 195 plus 159, 159 equal to $36, right? So this $36 we have to pay now to ISAC. Okay, so who is ISAC here? ISAC is a supplier, yeah. So we purchased from ISAC, so we need to pay. Okay, so ISAC is a pay here. So pay is a receiver, ISAC is a receiver. So receiver account to be debited, as we have to pay, as Julie has to pay again $36. Okay. So let us write here number 2. ISAC account to be debited $36 and suspense account to be created by $36. Okay, so here we can write narrative. ESEC account debited by $36 and correction of errors. Okay, so this is done. Number 3 here, a payment by credit transfer for wages $144 has not been recorded in the accounting records. Okay, so this is an error of omission. Okay, so this transaction is completely omitted from the accounting records. Okay, so here for this transaction there will be no effect there on the trial balance. Okay, debit balance and credit balance will be here same. So in this transaction we will not have any suspense account. Okay, normally general transaction we will make for this type of error. Okay, so here credit transfer for wages. So what is wages? It is an expense, right? So expense is already, it is a normal debit account. Okay, so expense account means wages account to be here debited, and a credit transfer. So transfer from where? Transfer from bank. Okay, so here bank is an asset. Asset is here decreasing because balance is here decreasing in the bank. So it is an asset, it will be decreased. So decreasing in asset will be credited. Okay, so let us write here number 3. Wages account to be debited and bank account to be credited. Here we will write the amount $144 on the debit side, $144 on the credit side. Okay, so we can write here wages account to be debited by $144 and correction of error. Okay, so good, number 3 is done. Now number 4 here, what is written? The discount received total for January 2022 $38 had been debited to the discount received account. Okay, so here $38 discount received. So discount received, it is an income account. Income is normal credit account, but here by mistake this account had been debited by $38. Okay, so this will be credited but here debited, so opposite. Okay, so now to rectify what to do, as this is debited mistakenly, now we have to credit this account. Yeah, discount received. Okay, so let us write here number 4, discount received. Okay, so here how much? 38. So we will not write $38. Okay, we will write something different. Okay, so here discount received is credited because normally it is a credit account. Okay, it is an income account. When income increased, income will be credited. Okay, so here for this transaction there will be an impact on the trial balance. Okay, trial balance won't be balanced. Okay, because this is a credit amount but written on the debit side of the trial balance. That is the reason there will be difference on the trial balance. Okay, so if there is any difference in the trial balance, we need to include suspense account. Yeah, so here we will have suspense on the debit side. So let us write suspense. Okay, now on the question the amount is $38. We will write $38 here? No, not at all. Okay, so we have to double the amount. Okay, why double the amount? Okay, because for say you are giving me $38 but mistakenly I give you $38. Okay, now to rectify what to do? First of all, you have to give me $38. Okay, second of all, I give you $38 mistakenly, you have to refund that amount as well. So 38 plus 38 will be here $76, right? So we have to write here $76. Okay, if you see this type of transaction like credit transaction written as debit or debit transaction written as credit, you just double the amount. Okay, so let us write here 76, 38 times 2. Okay, so we can write here discount received is credited by $76, correction of errors. Okay, so this is done. Our last one is number 5. What is written? The account for rent and the account for commission receivable had both been overcast by $200. Okay, so account for rent, what type of account is this? This is an expense account. Yeah, so already expense is a debit account. Okay, so here rent account will be debited to rectify this mistake, right? And commission receivable, it is an income account, yeah. So income account is normal credit account. Okay, so these both have been overcast by mistake. Okay, so overcast. Now we have to decrease the expense, which is rent. Okay, so to decrease the expense, we need to credit rent. Okay, so rent will be here credited, and here we have to decrease also what? Commission receivable account as well, right? So commission receivable is credit account. So if we decrease this account, it will be debited. Okay, so let us write here number 5, commission receivable account to be debited and rent account to be credited. Okay, so here amount is $200 on the debit side and $200 on the credit side. Okay, so once again, mistakenly rent was overcast, now we undercast, we decrease this amount. So when expense decrease, expense will be here created, and we know rent is an expense account. So commission receivable, we also overcast this amount mistakenly. Now we rectified. What we did, we undercast by $200, means we decreased by $200. So commission is an income account. When it is decreased, it will be debited. Okay, so this is how you need to rectify the errors. Our next lesson, I will show you how to prepare a suspense account from these transactions. Okay, I'll see you soon with new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.